This guide explores how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to create a massive amount of YouTube Shorts content in a short time frame. We'll be utilizing two popular AI tools, ChatGPT and Canva. The allure of AI-generated YouTube Shorts. The video opens with the enticing claim that a faceless YouTube channel is generating significant income up to $41,000 per month, solely through AI-created content. This includes titles, descriptions, hashtags, and even the video content itself. The example showcases a relatable and shareable short video, sparking the viewer's interest in replicating this success. Step 1. Generating content with ChatGPT. The first step involves using ChatGPT to create the foundation of your YouTube Shorts. Here's a breakdown of the process. Prompt engineering. The guide emphasizes the importance of crafting a well-defined prompt for ChatGPT. It suggests requesting 50 sets of facts, each containing a topic, a starting point, part 1, and a concluding element, part 2. Examples are provided to illustrate the desired format. Quality over quantity. While it's tempting to request a large number of facts at once, the guide recommends focusing on quality by keeping the request between 30-50. This ensures ChatGPT can deliver content that aligns with your goals. Variety is key. The prompt incorporates a variety of fact types, psychology, relationships, etc., to generate a diverse and engaging range of content. Relatability matters. The guide stresses the importance of keeping the generated content relatable to viewers. This increases the likelihood of audience interaction and sharing, generating large amounts of content. Once you're satisfied with initial 50 facts, the guide suggests using a secondary prompt to generate another 50 unique sets, ensuring you have enough material for a significant number of videos. Step 2. Automating video creation with Canva. Canva serves as the platform for automating the video creation process. Here's a detailed breakdown. Setting up Canva, the guide provides instructions on creating a free Canva account and accessing the YouTube Shorts template. Background video selection. Choosing an aesthetically pleasing background video is crucial. The guide suggests selecting a video with an ambient nature that won't distract from the text. It emphasizes using royalty-free videos or activating a free trial to access a wider selection. Video editing. The guide demonstrates how to shorten the background video to a suitable length, around 6 seconds, and remove any unwanted background music or audio. Text overlays. Text elements are added to display the topic, part 1 and part 2 of the facts. Customization options like color, font, size, and background are explained, optimizing text visibility. To ensure text readability, the guide shows how to adjust the size and add outlines if necessary. Controlling text timing. The guide explains how to use the timeline feature to control when each text element, part 1 and part 2, appears in the video. This ensures the topic is introduced first, followed by the concluding element. Connecting content with Canva Bulk Create. The guide introduces Canva's Bulk Create tool, which allows you to connect the previously generated facts, topics, part 1 and part 2, with the text elements on your video template. This automates the video creation process for multiple videos. Exporting videos. Once satisfied with the generated videos, you can download them as separate files for easy upload to YouTube. Supercharge your workflow, batching with ChatGPT optional. While step 2 focuses on generating 50 unique facts at a time, you can significantly boost your efficiency by leveraging ChatGPT's batching capabilities. Here's how. 1. Increase the request size. Instead of requesting 50 facts, consider pushing the limit to 100 or even 200. 2. Refine later. While ChatGPT might deliver a higher quantity, there's a chance some content might fall short of your expectations. Don't worry about filtering now. You can sort through the larger batch later and curate the best 100 facts for your shorts. 3. Categorize for efficiency. ChatGPT allows including additional instructions in your prompt. You can request the tool to categorize the generated facts based on themes, for example, psychology, relationships, life hacks. This pre-sorting saves you time when assigning topics to your shorts. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to generating a significant amount of YouTube Shorts content using AI and basic video editing tools. Don't forget to subscribe for more killer content that will help you conquer YouTube Shorts.